We know if a polynomial px can be factorized into x minus a times another polynomial qx, then pa is 0. The opposite is also true. If pa is 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. This is factor theorem. X minus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus ax squared plus x plus 10. Find a. From the factor theorem, we know, if x minus 2 is a factor of px, then p2 is 0. So let's put 2 in the polynomial, and it is 2 cubed minus a times 2 squared plus 2 plus 10. This is 0. Therefore a is 5. Show that x minus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6, and factorize it completely. Put 2 in the polynomial and it should equal 0. So we have 2 cubed minus 6 times 2 squared plus 11 times 2 minus 6. This is 8 minus 24 plus 22 minus 6, which is 0. Therefore, according to the factor theorem, x minus 2 is a factor. Next, we divide x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 by x minus 2. We can use either equating the coefficients or long division. And the result is x squared minus 4x plus 3. Factorize this quadratic polynomial, we get x minus 1 times x minus 3. Therefore x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 is x minus 2 times x minus 1 times x minus 3. The general form of factor theorem is, if px is ax plus b times qx, then p minus b over a is 0. And the opposite is also true. That is, if p minus b over a is 0, then ax plus b is a factor of px. 2x plus 1 is a factor of 2x cubed minus ax squared plus 1. Find a and factorize it completely. According to the factor theorem, p minus half is 0. So we put minus half in the polynomial, and get 2 times minus half cubed minus a times minus half squared plus 1. This is minus quarter a plus 1, and it is 0. Therefore, a is 3. Now we find 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. We know the highest term is the division of the two highest terms. 2x cubed divided by 2x is x squared. The lowest term is the division of the two lowest terms. 1 over 1 is 1. So the quotient is x squared plus bx plus 1. So 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 1 is 2x plus 1 times x squared plus bx plus 1. Now let's equate the x squared terms. There are two products that will result in x squared. One is 2x times bx. The other is 1 times x squared. So it is 1 plus 2bx squared. It is equal to minus 3x squared. So b is minus 2. Therefore, 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 1 is 2x plus 1 times x squared minus 2x plus 1, which is 2x plus 1 times x minus 1 squared. In this class, we learned. The factor theorem is, if px is ax plus b times qx, then p minus b over a is 0. If p minus b over a is 0, then ax plus b is a factor of px.